Hi everybody, we're going to make a yummy dessert and I got it from Paula Deen and it's called Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding. It's got yummy ingredients, it's got cream cheese, it's got sweetened, sweetened condensed milk, bananas, instant pudding, and milk. And I'm going to put all the ingredients down below. So if you'd like to make this yummy recipe, I really wished you would. And it's also going to have some shortbread cookies in it. I wish I could eat all these good things, but I'll only be eating a little bit. But anyways, I'm going to pan you down. We're going to get ready. But you will need 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. You will need 1 5-ounce of pudding pie filling, and that's of your choice. This is vanilla. French vanilla would be good too. And you need some shortbread cookies, and Mr. R got these at the Dollar Tree for me. They were $1 a box and the grocery store was $5 a box. So you know where we went shopping. Oh yeah. So let's get started. I may have to stop because I've got my 2 boys and families down back target practicing today. They won't be coming in, but they'll pound on the door and tell me, "Hi Mom, hi Grandma, we love you." All that social distancing, you know. Oh, and also you need an 8-ounce Cool Whip, or you can make your own whipping of your choice, 8 ounces. So I'm going to pan you down and then we're going to get started. Okay, what we're going to do is I have the condensed milk in here already and 8 ounces of the Philadelphia cream cheese, and we're just going to mix this up till it's real smooth. We just want a smooth consistency. And I'll bring you back when it's all smooth. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to take the pudding mix right here. We want to stir this in. We're just going to put it in here, just like this. Oh, that vanilla gives it a real pretty color, doesn't it? Oh, smells yummy. I love bananas. I'm not sure what the price of bananas was because Ray has been going to the store for me as I have not been going in to the stores. So he's been doing all the shopping, or most of it, I should say. You're wondering why I'm not banging the side of the bowl. That's just something I don't do. My grandmother taught me. She was brought up in the Depression, and that's one thing you didn't do, because if you broke a bowl back then, it couldn't be replaced very easily. I think maybe I'll switch on another light and see if it helps. Maybe it'll be too bright. But we've got lots of light now. And we're just going to fold this in kinda just like this. Fold it in nice and gentle. Make sure you get the sides of the bowls when you fold it. Just like this. Can't use that side, sorry. Well, can't use this side, so I guess I'm back using this arm. That's all right. It is what it is. We'll find out what's going on one of these days when they can get the X-ray machines going up and going again. Okay, I think this is folded in pretty well. And then once this is folded in, we are going to take, oops, we still got some in the bowl. We do not want to forget any. With today's prices and the way everything is, every drop counts, doesn't it? Just like this. Get the sides of it, just like that. Get as much as we can anyways. Just like that. My hand's wiped up just a little. Set that over there. And then we're just going to fold this in. Just like this. What little there was there. Then we're going to take this yummy Cool Whip or cool frosting, whatever you want to make. If you want to make your own, you can make it about 8 ounces. Go just like that. My dad's a diabetic, so none will be going to his house. And I'm supposed to be cutting on my sugar, so I won't be eating too much. So I'm hoping that my grown boys will take some home to their family tonight. If not, Mr. R will have to take it to work. Okay, we're just gonna fold this in like this. This makes, as you can see, a nice amount. This is a heavy, heavy bowl. Just like this. Probably should have got a great big scoop to help out so I didn't have to lift this heavy thing with my arm. But you just want to fold it in. Try doing it with the other arm here. Not so good. Just suck it up, Buttercup. Get the work done. Fold it right in. Oh, this is going to be so yummy. This will be a great dessert for their supper tonight after they eat. If their wives haven't already made something. And they may not want to take it home. I don't know. But I'm sure I can have it gone somehow. It'll be gone. It'll be eaten all up. Okay, there we go. Just like that. And you want 6 or 8 sliced bananas. You can put some that fresh for fruit on it, but I don't particularly like it, so I don't use it, and I don't think it looks bad. And we still have left our shortbread cookies. So, what I'm gonna do, I got my little tray right here. It's a little shy from 9 by 13, but that's what they asked to use. But this is my favorite tray. So we're going to use this one. This is my go-to. Just like this. There. If you had square cookies, they would fit in, but this will work just as well. And then you want to take your bananas. And mine's going to be a 2-layer. So we'll just put the bananas. I'll move this over here so you can see me pick up the bananas and put right in. Oh, these bananas smell really good. Just like that. Then you want to just take your filling and put it right in. And you want to cover these bananas up too so they don't turn brown. Just like that. Oh boy, this is going to be some yummy. I see I done dropped a couple bananas on the side there, but we are not going to waste them. We're going to pick them right up. And they are going to go right in. There you go. just like that. That's the first layer. Now for the second. We are going to put the banana in. We'll just put a few bananas like this. Mix it up a little. Now, cookie time. Put the cookies right on. Just like this. Oh, it smells so darn good. I can't stop wanting just to eat it like right now, but I can't eat very much of it. And then we're just gonna lay it with the mixture on top. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that bell. Some folks have been telling me they haven't been notified. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you'd share out my videos, that would be wonderful, so YouTube will know that MAINEiac Grammie's got some things going on over here. And then you're just gonna top it with this, the topping. With the Cool Whip and the cream cheese and the condensed milk, just like this. So, some yummy eats right here. Really good. So folks, I hope you liked this video, and this is called Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding. And this is a Paula Deen recipe right here. Just gonna spread this out. Cover those bananas just like this. Now this is one heck of a yummy recipe to be eaten. So like I always say, you never know what's gonna be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. And I'm gonna show this to you up close. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.